This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why people can't see your WhatsApp status. First, navigate to your WhatsApp settings and tap on Privacy, then Status. Make sure your visibility is set to My Contacts or Only Share with specific individuals. It's crucial that the people you want to see your updates have your number saved in their phone. Also, double-check that you haven't inadvertently muted or blocked them from viewing your status, as this is a common oversight. Sometimes, the issue lies with the contact themselves. For someone to see your status, they must have your phone number saved in their contacts, and you must have theirs. If they don't, your status won't appear for them. Additionally, ask them to ensure their WhatsApp application is updated to the very latest version available in their App Store. Finally, if a contact has blocked you, they will not be able to see your status updates at all. If the problem persists, it might be a technical glitch on your end. Try clearing the cache for your WhatsApp application. On Android, go to your phone settings, then Apps, find WhatsApp, and select Clear Cache. For iPhone users, offloading the app can achieve a similar result. A simple restart of your phone can also resolve many temporary software issues. As a final step, after backing up your chat history, consider reinstalling WhatsApp to ensure a fresh installation. Before concluding, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong, as a weak signal can prevent status updates from loading correctly. Also, double-check that your phone's date and time settings are accurate and set to automatic. Incorrect settings can sometimes interfere with app functionality. If you've tried all these solutions and people still can't see your WhatsApp status, it's best to reach out directly to WhatsApp support for more personalized assistance. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.